Welcome to Provitalks, where nature and science blend to inspire you. Discover the latest in technology, sustainability, and trends in the cosmetics world, thanks to Provital. Let's care together for our industry's commitment to the people and the planet. Provital. Do care.
Welcome to this special edition of Provitalks, a series of podcasts dedicated to inspire you when formulating beauty products so that you can create original formulas that are in line with the latest trends and that, of course, awaken emotions. To do so, we count on our applications manager, Laure Dupin. Laure is a chemist specialized in cosmetic applications and has more than 10 years of experience on beauty formulation across different countries. It is thanks to her knowledge and experience that at Provital, we are able to offer very innovative formulas as a support material for our clients' development processes. Welcome, Laure. Thanks to you for being here today and for sharing some of your tips and tricks. Well, why did Provital think of a loose powder for the Pureskin product?
It's because the cosmetic industry have seen a huge shift in the consumer's behavior. They are more than ever ready to adopt new products that will align with their beliefs and values. They want to take care of themselves, but they want to consume in a more respectful way. They want to look good, but without having to sacrifice their skin equilibrium. And that's probably why there is a higher request of solid formulation and why powders are especially on the rise. Plus, in the latest years, makeup products that incorporate active ingredients has greatly evolved, transforming them into hybrid products, at the border between decorative cosmetics and skincare. And by having makeup and skincare in one product, we are duplicating the benefits of a product for an everyday, more benefit-fixated consumer. That's why Provital took the challenge to combine both trends when developing the loose powder, Pureskin. With a very high natural origin content, this formula brings optical properties such as soft focus and mattification, taking care at the same time of oily skin.
And how are these opposed efficacies possible?
This loose powder contains rice starch and silica to absorb the excess of sebum and to bring the softness on the skin. Calamine soothes irritation and has antibacterial properties. Zinc oxide will protect in UVA in addition to bring antibacterial properties as well. And our Pureskin as a powder is really easy to incorporate in such makeup products. The sulfur that it contains is antifungal, purifying, and antiseptic. With a clean brush, you just rub the powder with a brush and then you spread it on your face until you reach a uniform skin tone.
Any special tips when formulating this kind of format?
Yes, you have to make sure that the ingredients are really well mixed together for achieving an homogeneous granulometry.
Well, thank you so much, Laure, for sharing this information with us.
I'm glad to share.
We for sure greatly appreciate your time and tips, and we hope we have provided valuable information for our listeners too, with this Provitalks dedicated exclusively to formulation tips, inspiration, and storytellings for their potential final product developments. See you soon.
Thank you for listening to this edition of Provitalks. We hope you got some source of inspiration to create and spread your own kind of beauty. For further information, subscribe to our podcast or visit our website at weareprovital.com. Provital. Do care.